Hi everyone, my name is Hannah and this is my website. It's called Hatwell Creations and this is my home page. So this is where I talk a little bit about what Hatwell Creations is. I have a few featured creations here, just little hats that I've made. Something that I do a lot of is crochet, and so this website will feature some of those crochet projects. It's also the purpose also is to help inspire other people to know that it's okay to do things like craft or crochet, bake, sew, like anything that they want to do, like they can do it. So Hatwell Creations actually started as just a WordPress blog at the beginning of quarantine. And the purpose of it was to share some of the things that I make and inspire other people. So that's the purpose here, as the blog has transformed kind of now into this website. So a little tour. I changed the blog title page up here to the word inspiration because my posts are mainly going to be the purpose of them is to inspire people. So one post that I made here is a DIY crochet starter kit, which kind of just talks about some things that go into it and what they need to get started if they want to start crocheting. So here's just a quick little view of that. Some things that you need to go into it. Just a completed kit there. The contact page is where people would go if they'd like to contact me personally or ask me questions about things that I make, or if they have ideas that they want me to try out first and share how it went, then that's great too. So that's kind of this page here, my contact page. My store, it doesn't have a lot yet because crochet it takes a long time to make some things. So some of these things like this wasp nest decoy and the headband, those are pretty quick, but the dog sweater, that takes a little bit more time. So this will kind of be a crochet as we go kind of things. So these are my products, I guess, so far, and you can click on it and it'll load here. Choose an option for the size or the color. And I actually was able to sell a few of these and get a couple of reviews. So I guess that was kind of cool. I didn't sell it from the website. I actually sold them in person, but I'm excited to see if more get sold. Something that I actually learned a lot of things making this website. There were quite a few new things, like since I already had a WordPress blog, I kind of knew how things were working for the website. There was just a lot of different things that went into it. And something that was really difficult was being patient with the websites and how they work. Because I was logging in, I was getting things ready, and then the website wouldn't work. And then I'd try again, and the website still wouldn't work. And then I'd try again, and the website still wouldn't work. And so learning to be patient with technology and the internet and everything was kind of hard because I was expecting it to work right away. And so sometimes I would have to like wait a day or wait a few hours and then check again to see if it worked. And usually it did. It just needed that time to like catch up with itself or with the browser or the analytics pages. So that was something that was really difficult for me. Also, it was kind of hard at first to figure out the Divi Builder. Some of the the layout of it was kind of confusing. So this homepage actually is made up of a template, and that's kind of how I got started. And then after that, I was able to rearrange some things and like do other things. And so my other pages are built from scratch. But this one, because it was my first page and I wasn't sure what I was doing, and I found Divi Builder kind of hard to use, I used this page, used a template to start out. So that was also something that was difficult for me. But once I figured it out, I was able to add in some things, like little slides and how it kind of how everything works. And so everything else is built from scratch. The only page that is not built from scratch is the home page. So this is my website. I hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to looking at all the other websites that we have all created this semester.